Hello guys, do you know that it's no longer a doubt that a lot of people are making money from YouTube without even showing their face on the camera? And this art is called YouTube automation. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so YouTube is going to notify you whenever I drop a video like this. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing to you some few mistakes that you can make, and at the end of the day, if you start one, you are not going to make money with it because YouTube is going to demonetize you. There is a way that you are going to be doing it and you are going to be getting it right, and there is also a way that you are going to be doing it. YouTube is not going to monetize you. At the end of the day, you are not going to make money with it. It might even cause your channel to get banned. So let me proceed. The number one mistake that you're going to be making is you going to Google and start copying people's article. At the end of the day, you turn it into a video and you upload it on your YouTube channel. Let me tell you, YouTube is not going to monetize those videos because they are copyright. Avoid this. And number two mistake that you're going to be making in this 2022-2023 is you using Google text to speech. Google has their own text to speech, and if you are using it to actually record the script that you actually hire someone from Fiverr to write a script for you, if you use text to speech, Google text to speech, and record it, YouTube is going to demonetize you because they are not really human. So there is a way that you can actually get your voiceover. It's either you hire someone from Fiverr or you do the voiceover by yourself. So it's very, very simple. All you need to do is to get yourself a mic and start recording the script that you actually hire someone from Fiverr to write for you, or you write it on yourself. So that is it for now, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to see more updates. Thank you for watching.